are the coins. Let me show you operate my vending machine. Guys, this is the coins I will put in here before we put little chocolates in bowl. Now let's do it. We are putting the box in the chocolates. Guys, I win the prize. Guys, I want to eat. I want to not eat. I want to different eat. Guys, which one do you like? Chocolate one, the pistachio one.
So which one you like?
I like chocolate one.
So let's try it. Come on, try it. So how do you like it?
Yummy.
Yummy? You like it? Now try this one. Which one is this?
Pistachio.
My favorite. Wow, you loving it?